how to clear your WhatsApp storage. So let's get started. WhatsApp stores tons of photos, videos, voice notes, and files that can eat up your phone storage. Cleaning this regularly helps your phone run faster and prevents storage full of errors. To do that, open WhatsApp and tap onto the three dots in the top right corner. Select Settings. Here, tap onto the Storage and Data. Find Manage Storage. Here, WhatsApp will show you how much storage is used by each chat. Tap or chat to see all media files. Here, select the items. Here, select the files you want to delete, especially last videos or forwarded media. Tap the trash icon to delete and free up spaces. And if you want to clear all your WhatsApp data, tap Clean All or Clear Chat Backups from your phone setting. This will delete all medias and chat, so use with caution. And that's how you clean WhatsApp stories and free up space fast. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and press the bell icon for more updates. Thanks for watching. How to check WhatsApp data usage. So let's get started. Whether you are on your limited data plan or just curious, checking WhatsApp usage helps you control mobile data, Wi-Fi usage, and storage space. To do that, open WhatsApp, tap the three dots in the top right corner. From here, tap onto your settings and you will be able to see the storage and data option. Tap on it. Here, you will see a details data like message sent or received, media byte sent or received, call data usage, Google Drive backup usage, and total data used on mobile or Wi-Fi. It's a full breakdown of everything WhatsApp has used. You can tap onto the Manage Storage option. You will see chats list by who takes up the more space. And that's how you check your WhatsApp data usage like a pro. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and press the bell icon for more updates. Thanks for watching. Stay connected, stay.